The story behind this tweet is I was just starting work in Chicago on Mind Games. My agent came to Chicago and organized this lovely trip for myself and some of his other clients that were working on Chicago PD. And we went out there and had this wonderful adventure out on the lake. There was some alcohol, there were handcuffs. Chicago was great. It was warm, it was cozy. The lake was incredible. You could drink the water. It was so fresh. I just thought it was amazing. But then as the months progressed, it got progressively colder and more windy and brutal. And then the polar vortex came in. By the end, I was thrilled that I lived in Miami. But nothing against Chicago. People were great, food was great, but it was nice to have Miami as the light at the end of the tunnel.